Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add Fillout effect in a photo using Canva. How to add dark shadow effect. So as you can see right now we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank template, right? Now first of all we are going to add an image as a background. So we are going to elements and here you can simply search for sunset, right? Or you can add your own image. We are going to photos, see all, and here whatever the image you like the most, you can simply select that image. For example, I am just selecting this one, and now I will click on this triple dot and click on set image as background. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are again going to elements, and here we are searching for nature woman, right? So for example, this is an image, right? We can simply select this, and now we are going to remove the background of this image. Okay, background has been successfully removed. Now we are going to click on edit, and here in the edit you can simply scroll down and you will find the filters. Click on see all, and here you need to search for duotone. So I'm scrolling down and here it is duotone. Here you can select any of the filter. Okay, now we are going to change the highlights to black color, right? Because shadow is always of black color, and again highlights and shadows both of black color. That's it. So in this way you can simply create the Fillout effect, or you can say dark shadow effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.